Niggas don't speak my language. Hey, what's up with Drake though, bro? I feel like Drake finna try it again and he finna get his ass cooked again, bro. Sorry if you a Drake fan. I rock with both of them, bro. But if you a super Drake fan, I'm sorry, bro. That man got cooked and it seemed like he ready to jump back in the pan. I don't know. That's not what this video is about, man. Yeah, man. You know what's going on in this motherfucker. All right, so Los Angeles Archive, man, I ain't gonna lie. I thought they was finna pump fake us for a minute, man. I still think it's gonna be some pump fakage going on. However, we finally got the date. They will officially be dropping the 2020 Vision hoodies. Let me get it done. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike Dub, aka Don't Wait to Create, back with another video, bringing the news straight to you, man. Let's get into it. Like I said in the intro, bro, I thought they was gonna pump fake us, but they finally did give us a date via their Instagram account tomorrow. Yes, indeed, tomorrow, Thursday, September 5th, the 2020 Vision hoodies will be dropping. Now, why? All right, hold the phones, hold your horses. Breaking news, breaking news. Not only will they be dropping the 2020 Vision hoodies tomorrow, they will also be dropping free Hoover t-shirts and hoodies. Yes, indeed. Yeah, man, look like it's gonna be an eventful day tomorrow. We gonna see how it plays out. Back to our regular scheduled program, already in progress. Why I said I do believe that there will still be some pump fakage going on. For one, I think they're gonna sell out really quick. Obviously, you know, stuff like that go pretty fast. Another thing is, like I say, I honestly, I don't think these are the 2020 version. I think these were created this year, probably within the last couple of weeks. I feel like they had enough of them completed to make the announcement that they was dropping. So don't be too disappointed. Like if you somebody that got the original or you know somebody that got the OG and you compare it and it's not the same, don't be upset. Cause at the end of the day, bro, the stuff is still really good quality. I haven't been able to compare my Dove hoodie to an OG Dove hoodie, but one thing I can say about that motherfucker is it's a good hoodie, bro. $35, regardless if it's actual Yeezy got Balenciaga, bro. Los Angeles Archive did their thing on that motherfucker. Still a really good hoodie. The quality is there, and the prices make sense. I think a lot of people want these to be the originals. I want them to be too, but let's just be real, bro. Most of that stuff is gone, man. It is what it is. Just enjoy what we got. Either buy it, don't buy it, or you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, bro. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know, are you planning on going for this 2020 Vision hoodie via Los Angeles Archive tomorrow? Or are you gonna pass on it? Hey, I don't blame you. I'm honestly, as much shit as I talk, I'm honestly debating if I'm gonna grab it. Cause like I say, man, I live in Florida, bro. They haven't given any prices. I'm gonna assume between $75 to $100. They could go higher, but I doubt it. I don't think they'll go too much higher than $100. If anything, maybe $125 or something. But I don't see it being more than $100, to be honest with you. How much do Go want? Let me see what Go want for. See, Go want $400 for that bit. In my size, that's my size though, extra large. Large 674. Damn. Yeah. But I'm gonna assume that these are authentic, and you know what I'm saying? They gotta go through authentication checks and all of that. So just looking around, doing Google searches on the hat, I've been seeing the hat for like 60, 70 bucks, some places 80, 90 bucks. So I'm gonna assume Los Angeles Archive will probably have it, 30, 45 bucks at the most. Maybe 50, could be wrong. These are just my opinions and what I think as far as sizing. These are true to size fit hoodies, so do not try to size down. These are not oversized hoodies. In other news, I don't know if y'all been checking Paris Saint's website lately or their Instagram account, but they are planning a restock. Yes, indeed. According to the website, it says the next drop, Yeezy got Balenciaga outerwear, hoodies, and t-shirts dropping 9/10/24. So next week, expect to see some new stuff dropping on Paris Saint. Well, not new stuff, but some more stuff dropping on Paris Saint. I did see that they actually do have the 2020 Vision hoodies on their site. I don't know when they put these up there. I don't know how long they've been up there. Cause me personally, when I was coming to Paris Saint, I was going straight to that first tab with the Yeezy got Balenciaga. I didn't even really look at none of the other tabs. So I honestly don't know how long those been in there. Along with the hat, I'ma assume that they just got them in there, but either way they sold out, so it don't matter because they got them for $280. So I'm wondering, are they overcharging or is this an OG? Yeah, of course, you know, I can't do that research now because they sold out, but I'm interested to see if more of these will actually drop on 9/10, being that they are saying that it's outerwear, hoodies, and t-shirts. So just a little bit of news for now, man. Something real quick and to the point, just to get y'all that information. Like I said in the other video, man, once I got the information, I said I was gonna bring it straight to y'all. And that's what I'm doing, man. We deliver. Talk to me in the comment section, man. Let me know. Are you excited to see what Paris Saint is gonna do Tuesday, September 10th, when they do this outerwear restock that they claiming they gonna do? Other than that, man, that is all I got. I'm gonna get up out of here because I got some other stuff I'm gonna work on. I got some other videos I'm working on, putting stuff together, man, trying to get right for y'all so I could be consistent and continuously drop y'all. I'm trying to get to the point where I start dropping every day. Leave your boy a thumbs up, man. I would greatly appreciate it. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you get notification when I'm dropping these videos. The support is always much appreciated, man. With that being said, man, your boy gonna get on up out of here. And I wish y'all nothing but the best, man. The word for the day is the internet did not bring out the worst in people. It created a platform for the worst people. And that's that, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the flip side of the side that flips. Until next time, my good people. Peace, love. I'm gone.